Hi, I'm back with an unboxing or unpackaging. This is from the Fat Quarter Shop, and it is the Designer Mystery Block of the Month. It's block 10, so we have block 10, so we have 2 more to go. I received this maybe a week ago, but I didn't have a chance to unbox it till now. So it's block 10 training wheels designed by Brenda Riddle of Brenda Riddle Designs. And it looks like a pinwheel. So let me get it open. And that's what it looks like. Looks a little involved. But you know, I haven't finished making the blocks every month, but I plan to do so. I'm liking the fabrics. I like that pop of peach. So let me open it up so you can see. The common denominator is it coordinates, but the middle has that has this as the focal point. So each block in the middle has this fabric. So there you go. The green, the peach, which I really like, and this is also the same. These are the same colors that they've been using every month. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed this. Thanks for watching. Bye.